What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to change your voice in here, which will be changing the entire voice within the microphone settings itself. We'll be using a software called Clownfish Voice Changer to change your voice so you can actually look like this. For example, here I am on a Google Meet and this is how my voice sounds like.
Hi, my name is Shaq and here we are in this meeting. For example, this is just a test to show how my voice will sound like here.
Just change it right now. I've changed it one more time and
This is how my voice looks like by changing the modes. We'll be covering all the steps on how you can do that in today's video right here, and this will be very simple and easy to use. You can use this software to actually stream online. For example, if you are a gamer and you want your voice to sound different, or if you're hopping into a meeting or anything you wish to do and you wish to have a different voice, I'm going to show you how to configure and how to change it in this video. But if you find my content useful, consider subscribing as it really helps me out. Now, first things first, we're gonna hop straight into our internet browser and go straight to google.com. Next up, we're gonna search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Here we go, we already have this suggested in here. And then we need to download this software right here, which is on this website, which says clownfishvoicechanger.net. So you wanna tap once on clownfishvoicechanger.net, and this will take us to the official website that allows us to install this app. Okay, we do have in here Clownfish Voice Changer. Now we need to tap on download, but before we even download, I'd like to make a test just to showcase it to you. For example, let's quickly tap on mic testing here at the left of my screen. Let me tap on X real quick to close this ad, and then here we go. Now I can tap in here and start speaking in order to test my mic. Okay, so let me tap on the mic in here, and there we go, the test. Let me tap on the start mic test. There we go. Let me tap on allow to allow my microphone. Let me close this advertisement once again. Here we go, I'm now speaking and I can see the decibels going up and down in here. The microphone is listening to my voice real quick. Okay, there we go, I'm speaking 1, 2. Now once it's done, it's gonna say that hey, everything's working fine, your mic is perfect. This is just a test to check if your mic is working fine, okay, before you proceed with the process. There we go, we'll be going back now to our main website, which is Clownfish Voice Changer. Now we'll tap here on download, which is the second option here within the header or the section of the header. And once you tap on download in here, we'll then scroll down and download the most compatible version. In my case, it's going to be the 64-bit and not the 32-bit because I do have a 64-bit operating system in here. Now you can also check your operating system bit. For example, hop into your folder or simply the this PC section by tapping here and then tapping on this PC, and then in here you want to right click then tap on properties. Okay, alternatively you can tap on Alt Enter to show it here. Next up, once you scroll down, you'll be able to see in here under system type the bit operating system. In my case, it's a 64-bit. If you see 32-bit, then you can actually go with the 32-bit. Okay, in my case, it's 64-bit. Now let me close this. I'm gonna download 64-bit real quick. There we go, download will start in just a few seconds. Let me tap here on download Clownfish Voice Changer real quick. There we go, let me close this advertisement once again. And here we go, the download has initiated real quick. Okay, there we go, we just need to wait for a couple seconds or minutes until the download has been completed, as this depends on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, you want to tap on open file to open up the setup. Okay, there we go, it's now launching. Let me tap on yes, setup has been launched. Let me close my internet browser as I do not need it anymore. I'm gonna tap on next, 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 and then install real quick, and then this will be installed in just a few seconds. Let me just tap on got it here, install. There we go, the process is almost done. There we go, the process is almost done and everything is completed right now. Let me tap on next and finish. We do have Clownfish already installed. I'm gonna double tap here on Clownfish Voice Changer to launch the application, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Right here we go, we now have the Clownfish Voice Changer open or launched, and then next up you need to select in here the mode, which I recommend to keep it in auto, and then you do have your microphone or all microphones installed in here. Now you need need to keep it as it is and not tap on remove. If you don't see remove in here, you'll be able to see install, tap on install. Okay, now here we go. If I simply double tap, it's going to open up these options in here. If you want to turn off, you can tap on turn off. Now in here you do have set voice changer, which is the option that needs to be ticked on, and then you do have a lot of effects in here. For example, I'm going to tap here on set voice changer, and then I'll be able to see all these options in here, such as alien, authority, clone, mutation, fast mutation, slow mutation, robot, and a lot more options in here. So all you want to do is select the custom voice that you wish to select. I'm going to tap, for example, on female pitch. Once I tap on this, my microphone will immediately change to this voice. If I deselect it, let me tap on another one, it's going to change to alien. So this is how easy you can actually here customize the different type of voice that you wish. Now you have the pitch in here, you can adjust it a bit after selecting it. You can also use vocoder in here if you tap on vocoder to mix with your voice with a different signal, okay, but preserving the same characteristic. You can extend the current voice with cool audio effects as well here. You can boost the microphone settings and sensitivity or bass or even treble according to your preference. Now this is how easy you can actually install and change your voice. Now this changes your entire microphone voice. Everything will change. For example, even if you open up a Google Meet or a call, this will also take effect. If you screen record, if you record anything in here, if you send a voice note on WhatsApp, it will change the entire audio here within your microphone settings. And once you wish to clear, tap on clear effect. This will erase everything and put it back to default settings, and then you can do it again from scratch. Remember, this will all apply into this microphone in here, which is the default one in here. So this is how easy you can set up Clownfish voice changer on your Windows device so you can change your voice while streaming or doing a live online. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.